Hi everybody. We have an activity that we're going to do that will require you to have the draw function on your PowerPoint. If you look at the top up here at mine, where I guess this would be called the toolbar, you're going to see the word draw next to insert. Some of you may have that and some of you may not. If you do not have the word draw here, I want to show you how to get it activated. What you will do first is go to File, then you're going to go all the way down to where it says Options. It's at the bottom. When you click Options, you're going to see all of these tabs over here, and you need to go to Customize Ribbon. When you click Customize Ribbon, go over to where it says Customize the Ribbon. The ribbon must be what they call the top. Go down to where it says Draw and make sure it has a check mark in the box. If it doesn't, check it and then click OK. When you come back to your PowerPoint, it should be there. If not, you might want to go back and then maybe refresh it up here. Okay? I hope this helps.